In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Udemy dark mode easily and fast when using a desktop. If you find yourself spending a lot of time learning on Udemy, you might have felt the need for a more eye-friendly interface, especially during those late-night study sessions. Thankfully, there's a way to transform your Udemy interface with a sleek, dark look in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow to activate dark mode on Udemy. First, what you'll be doing is installing a helpful browser extension that can turn the typically bright white background into a more comfortable dark theme. This not only makes it easier on your eyes, especially in low light conditions, but also gives your Udemy experience a whole new modern feel. To start, you'll want to install an extension known to work well with Udemy for this purpose. Now, open your preferred web browser on your desktop. This process works best with Chrome. Head over to your search engine and type in NightEye API Udemy Dark Mode. This is the official site for the extension that we'll be using. Once you're on their page, you should see a button inviting you to Get Dark Mode. Click on this button and you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you're looking for the option to add this extension to your browser. The extension you want is called Dark Mode, NightEye. Simply click on the Add to Chrome button. A quick note here. Sometimes you might see a prompt that asks for permission. This is standard for extensions as they need certain levels of access to change the appearance of web pages. So go ahead and grant the necessary permissions. After you've clicked to add the extension, follow any installation prompts that pop up. These are usually simple, just a few steps to click through. Once this is done, make sure to pin the extension to your browser toolbar for easy access. You'll find the pin icon usually in the extensions menu in the top right area of your browser. Click it to pin NightEye for quick access. With the extension now installed and pinned, it's time to see it in action. Go ahead and navigate over to your Udemy account. Once you're logged in, you simply click on the NightEye extension icon in your toolbar and activate dark mode. Immediately, you should notice the Udemy interface transform from its usual bright whites to a more subdued dark mode. And there you have it. Your screen should now switch from the normal, default light theme to a cool, dark mode. You can enjoy your courses with less strain on your eyes, enhancing your learning experience. Remember, having an option like dark mode can make long study sessions slightly more comfortable and ultimately more productive. Thanks for watching and happy learning.